Welcome back to the BSN channel. Black Star name, that's the name. Yoko Gari is the food, with some beans. I don't know, what meat is this, man?
Mackerel.
Some mackerel from the tin, some garri,
Chili.
and some palm oil. And it's looking nice, it's smelling good. I'll just give you a close up.
That's the main airway meal.
Where's that airway meal?
Yeah.
Okay.
Best.
Doesn't mean I'm betraying Fufu. I love you, Fufu. I never betray you. But sometimes I have to speak with your cousins, okay? You have some nice cousins. Fufu, I'll eat you on, Kwesiada, yeah? On a Sunday. Or Memenada. But right now, it's Yoko Gari. Okay? Anyway, I always have a food blog. I'm gonna end it there. So peace out, guys. Expect more videos in the future. Bye.